Hello, my name is Marun Asaf. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created the ellipsoid calculator using Python. First, I read what is required with the functions lab 7, and the software requirements is showing that we need to have three functions. The first one will calculate the surface area, the second one will calculate the volume, and the third one will get the user input. So we start with the first one. It is asking to collect three float arguments or parameters, and these are going to be A axis radius, B axis radius, C axis radius. And then we have to follow the same this formula and create it in Python. So in order to use the power and the pi, we need to import math. After importing math, we follow the same formula. So it's 4 times math.pi for the pi, and then times math power, which will cover this bracket, and it will be the power of 1 over 1.6. Then we'll say a times b to the power of 1.6, which is here, math power 1.6. The same goes for a times c and b times c on the power of 1.6. And all of them will be divided by 3. So we have it here divided by 3, and then we close the bracket. Now we can also say return in the beginning here and display it, the whole thing after return, or we can use surface area, surf area, and return surf area for this function. For the calc volume, I used the parameters that are a-axis, b-axis, c-axis, and calculated the area, the volume based on this formula. So it is going to be 4.0 divided by 3.0 because it's a float times math.pi times a-axis radius, b-axis radius, and c-axis radius, which is ABC according to the formula. And then also we'll return the volume calc for this function. And the last one will be the get user input, which is going to be using global variables, and then I will have the float input, enter the a-axis, b-axis, c-axis radius, and then call the get user info. I'm sorry, get user input, and it will show. It will go to the function, then print to show the surface area and volume. Now let's test the program. So after I run, it's asking me to input the info. So 1.1, and then B axis 2.2, and C axis is 3.3. It should have surface area is 59. That is correct. Then volume is going to be 33.451. And that should be it. Thank you.